Hi everyone, so I'm here quickly to show you all this arrangement that I've done. I've also shared an organization video, a cupboard organizing idea and all these things a month back. But here I made some changes because that time I was storing everything in two different cupboards, but now I have brought everything together in one single cupboard and I have replaced many of the boxes with these kind of boxes that I bought from stores. So these boxes I got from store for 99 rupees. I got these three sets, like three different sizes together were for 99 rupees. So it was a very good deal. It was for 199. I got for 99. I got it from a store called Vishal Mega Mart in Bangalore. You can just go and search such places in your city also. You will get a lot and you can easily buy. Amazon also you will get many, but the prices are a bit higher over there and even the delivery charges are high. So I'll show you what all things are kept. So over here you can see again I'm using the same method. I am labeling everything so that it's easier for me to use these stuffs when I am doing toy rotation. So these are the boxes which I preserved. So all these boxes things I've kept over here. So all these things have been labeled properly and all these boxes have been kept. So these are the alphabets, numbers, puzzles, blocks, community helpers and all such boxes that have been kept. These are the play doh which have not been opened. I've just kept it like that. Over here I have kept the salt which have been dyed, like the one which I use for tracing. Over here I have the tongs and these are the sticks and other things. So you can see over here I have the teacup set, the paper cuttings which can be used for sensory play, the wooden blocks. Everything have been labeled so that it becomes very easy for me to just take and use it. If it is not labeled, I have to actually sit and search when I'm rotating the toy, so it takes up a lot of efforts. Over here it's more kind of stationery and DIY stuffs. So you can see over here I have kept all these things like that. So different kinds of glue in one area, then tape and all kinds of colors, all types of scissors and brushes in one area. Over here I have the paper part, like the colored paper and colors and sticks and pipe cleaners, paper cutters. So this whole section is like more of the thing which helps me to do DIYs. And over here this was the only space I got, so I kept it over here. Again here I have food color and other yarn and other things. Yeah, Dhruv, you want blue ball? Blue ball. Okay. Ball. Okay. Red ball. Red ball. Okay. Orange ball. Orange ball. Can you wait? Yeah. Okay. Wait. 2 minutes. Wait. Okay. Yay. Yay. Okay. So, okay, he's asking for pom-poms. He's a pom-pom fan and that is why he's asking for that. Okay. So, I have these things, colors and trays and everything again sorted in this area. I've told you I've got some, I think 4 sets of these things. So 4 into 3, I've got 12 boxes. And these are the weighing balance thing. So I'll just keep it over here. You want this? Yes. Yeah, take it. Baby. Ball. Yeah, I'll give you. Give me a minute. Okay? Yes. Dhruv, go and sit there on the table. Use a table and chair. Okay, you want to sit here? Yes. Huh. Dhruv, wait. Okay? Ball. Yeah, wait. I'll give you. Which color you want? The ball. Okay. Wait, I'll give you. Okay? So I'll just show you all these things, but before that I'll give him what he's asking. Okay, and finally I'm back. So okay, I have the weighing balance over here. So these were the 2 places where I wanted to keep weighing balance and the other game which you saw. Now over here in this box I've kept all the worksheets, so I'll just pull it out and I'll show it to you and I'll tell you why I have done like that. So this is the box that I told you, and I've kept all his worksheets and everything in this box. Some of the flashcards also in this box. So I'll just show you from here. So all those which comes in different packs, I've kept it like that only. This is the binder in which I keep all the unit studies that I make, and this I have already shown in one of my previous organizing videos, so you can go and check it out. I'll put the link in bio. And over here I've kept the coloring sheets, activity sheets, and this one is a binder. This is another binder. So the activity binders also have kept it over here. That is why I got this huge one, and this huge also, two of them. One was this and the other same size with the lid. It came for 2.99, so I felt it was a good price that I invested in. All other activity sheets are kept over here. All subject wise activity sheets are kept over here. And I told you, right, that some of the flashcards I have kept here. So you can see these are the flashcards which have been kept, small cards that have been kept, and these are the other activity cards which have been kept over here, and these are the alphabet tracing cards which are kept over here. So I've kept all these things over here because when I'm making those weekly folder for him to study, it becomes easier for me to check, because all I need to do is just go through this like that, and take whatever I want and select. But if all these things would have been kept in boxes, which I was doing earlier, it was being a bit tough for me. Like most of the time I do miss out a lot of good worksheets. So when everything is like this and sorted and kept in an order, I know from where I need to pick what, and I know after using where it have to go back. So this is kind of saving my time a lot. So finally this whole thing is sorted. I am very happy. I'll keep this back and I'll come back to the next book. To the last part. Now this is again some random things which are stored over here. So these are the kind of boxes that I was using earlier. They are pretty sturdy and you get it on Amazon, or you use the old Amazon boxes or anything, you can use that also. I just shifted to this because when I went shopping, I saw these boxes and I felt they were so good and the prices were so good. Like getting 3 boxes for 99 was really worth it, and so I just went and bought that. I didn't think much. Here I've kept all the different mats that he have, and over here I have the different kinds of trays and things which I use for him to represent the activity in. And again over here I have a box, over here I have another box, and all the other wooden toys and other small boxes have been stored over here. These are the counters, and this is the counting thing, and few more things like tongs and this thing, and a mat. So all these stuffs are stored at the bottom. Now it will take a week for me to adjust and like be able to understand where exactly the things are kept. But since everything is organized and kept in this way, there are two benefits. Benefit number one, actually there are three benefits. Benefit number one, saves up a lot of time. I was having it in two different cupboards. Like one was in this cupboard, the other was in another room. So I was kind of missing some of the activities because that were kept over here, and some of them were kept over there. So now everything is there in one particular place. That is number one. It becomes so easy for me to find which is where, what is where, and what I need to find. The second thing is that it is so organized that it saves up a lot of time, and it feels good. Taking anything out and putting everything back hardly takes any time for me now. The third thing is that an organized mommy means an organized child, because the child imitates us. So definitely when he sees that everything is organized from my end, he will kind of repeat the same. That is next. The last one is gives a lot of relief to my OCD self, wherein I feel really anxious when everything is just spread around. So when everything is organized in such a way, I feel good, and it makes me happy. So hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubts or anything, you can definitely reach out to me and I will clear all the doubts that you have. Stay organized, save a lot of time. Doing this will take a lot of time. This have taken at least, not at least, this have taken more than half of a day for me. But once this got organized, now it's going to save my time for a whole long period. So stay organized and save a lot of time, and use that time on self-care. Bye bye.